In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to highlight objects in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So if you have a moving object just like mine, it will be slightly harder compared to when you have a stationary object that you'd want to highlight in your video. So I would want to highlight this track right here as it passes through. So I'm just going to cut in here because it's nowhere to be seen now. And from here, I just want to start highlighting it from the beginning right here for an example. And now to highlight this is that I just need to go here into Effects tab. If you don't have this, go into Window and go here into Effects, make sure it's checked. Now you want to go for Brightness and Contrast right here and then drag it into your clip. And from here, just basically want to go for a negative brightness. I'm going to go for -50. And as you can see, it's now very dark. Now, in here is that we would mask out our subject. So you could go for a circle mask or circle highlight or rectangle highlight if you'd want to. So in my case, I just want to go for a circle one. So right here. And now you just want to go and make sure that your subject is inside the shape of your choosing right there. So I think I'm just going to do it just like this one. And now is that you would want to toggle on the animation or keyframe for your mask path. And then from here is that you want to move frames forward or seconds if you'd want to. And basically you just need to adjust the position of the mask and make sure that your object is still in it. So I'm just going to go and move it accordingly right there. And then move it again. And basically, you just also need to click here on invert so that instead of the inner circle to be dimmed, it will now be at the outer circle and you will now have this highlight effect. And as you can see, I don't like that it is too sharp, so I would need to feather it. So I'm going to increase the feather by a bunch. And now we have that right here. All right, so now that I'm done keyframing and I'm just going to review my mask right here and see if it looks good. And as you can see, it is now good. And now we have this highlight effect. And when I play it, we would now get a result like that. So that's it. And lastly, if you would want the the highlight effect to fade in, then you could also keyframe the brightness in here. Like, for example, I'm going to go keyframe here at the beginning. So it will be at 0. And then after 10 frames, so by pressing the shift plus right arrow key 2 times, that will be 10 frames. And then I'm going to go back into the negative brightness wherein the highlight effect would kick in. And now we would now have the result with a fade in. So this is it on how you'd be able to do highlighting on objects in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.